Hello my sweet queens. So today we're going to be making this beautiful cute pants, and if you want me to make a longer version of this pant, let me know in the comments and I'm going to create it for you guys. All right, so let me quickly take you to the process of the measurement you'll be needing for this class. So for this class, it's a pant, so you need the length that you want. It's a short pant, so I'm just going to measure where I want to place the pant. Let's say around my navel, but I want it like an high waist, so I'm just going to take the measurements like this to the length I want. I don't want mine to be so short that I won't be able to wear it. So I would like to have mine as 25 inches. Then I'm going to take the band measurement. See, just around where the pant is going to be on my tummy. You see, you take it snugly. Not tight or snug. My band is 33. Then I'm going to take the hip circumference measurement. My hip circumference is 44. My hip circumference is 44. Hip circumference is 44. For this class today, we're going to work with band 33, hip 44, and then the pant will be 25. Using 2 yards of Mikado. All right, so fold it into two like this. After folding it into two, you are going to fold it over just like this, like a triangle. Okay, fold it like a triangle. So after folding it into four, the first thing you have to please ensure after folding it into triangle like this, ensure you place it on a straight line. You can use your floor tie so that you are sure it's on a straight line. Okay, so then after that, you're going to determine your crotch extension and your crotch depth. So first off, the crotch depth is hip divided by 4. So the hip we're working with is 44 divided by 4. That will be 11. Then crotch extension is hip divided by 10 minus half. Okay, so hip we are working with is 44 divided by 10. That will give us 4.4, then minus half. That will be 3.9. Crotch depth is 11, take note, and crotch extension is 3.9. Okay, so the first thing you want to look for here is a position where you can see your waist band circumference divided by 4 plus the crotch extension. So the waist circumference is 33 divided by 4. That will be 8.25. So look for a position where you can see 8.25 plus 3.9. Okay, so let's just say 8.25 plus 3.9. That will give us 12.1. Okay, so just look for a position where you can see 12.1. Okay, we have it right here. So I'm going to roll it. So this is going to be the starting point, 12.1 here. So this will be the starting point line. So the next thing you are going to do is to measure down the crotch depth. So the crotch depth is 11, that is hip divided by 4. Crotch depth is 11. You're also going to roll it, but I didn't roll it all through. So now on this your crotch depth line, you're going to put your crotch extension. Crotch extension is 3.9, so put 3.9, and you are going to just roll it all the way straight up, just the way you are seeing me doing it, like this. Just roll it straight up like this. Can you see? Roll it straight up. When you roll it straight up, here will not be up to this point, so just take note of that. So don't stress yourself in case you're wondering if this is also equal with this. No, it's not. So just roll it straight up like that. So the next thing you want to do on your band, on your starting point line, you're going to put the waist circumference divided by 4. Mine is 33 divided by 4. That will be 8.25. Mark it. This is 8.25. Then you put your seam allowance. 1 inch is okay. Or let's do 1.5 for the seam allowance. 1.5, which is here. 1.5 for the seam allowance. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to measure from here. You just measure down the length of the pants. I want mine to be 25. Then because it's going to have band, you need to minus the band width from it. I would like to have it 2 inches band, so I'll just minus 1 from the length. Okay, so instead of measuring 25, I'm going to measure 24. Okay, then you had your seam allowance, so everything still bring it back to that 25. Okay, so this is 25. So I'll go back to the tip of my triangle here, the tip of this triangle. I'll measure down to that 25 and I'll rotate what I have. So here is 39. I'll rotate 39. It's just a flay. 39. So here is 39, but as I'm coming here, it's no longer up to. So you can add to it, but I'll just blend mine so that I don't have to add anything to it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is just to finish this area. Finish your crochet extension. Put your cuff like this and get a nice smooth cuff like this. Hope it's clear. Then I'll go ahead, I'll cut this out. If you would like to see a long version of this pant, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do it for you. If you really want yours to be very high, you can as well add like 1 inch to the crotch depth so that it's not going to be too low, but this is just perfect for what I want. I'm adding ½ inch at this top for the same allowance. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm going to measure 1.5 down and I'm going to notch it. That's going to be the position for the pocket. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'll open it up like this. When you open it up, this is how it's going to look. When you open it up, it's going to look like this. So this is what you're going to do. From this point, just measure your zip allowance down. So let's say the zip will be from the top. I'm going to just leave 9 inches for the zip allowance and I will notch. So from here, I'll sew with ½ inch round and then up to this top. Okay. So fold another fabric into 4 so that you just place your palm and then you're just going to trace the shape of your palm right on top. Can you see? The distance here should be between 7 and 8 inches. So this is the band. I'll go ahead, I'll fuse the band with interfacing. The band is going to be a straight cut. The length of the band is going to be your waist circumference plus 1, and then the width is going to be 5 inches. So the length of this band is your waist circumference measurement plus extra 1 inch for your seam allowance. Okay, then the width here is exactly 5 inches. This is 5 inches, so that when it's unfold, it's 2.5. Okay, so one edge here, you are going to bend it with ½ inch. Just bend one edge with ½ inch. If you want your waistband to be more than 2, you can actually do that. Just make sure you remove the equivalent from the length. So this is the band. All right, so the next thing now is just to close the side and then we'll fix the zip. But for this back part of the crochet, this is the back, you're going to lower it. I did ½ inch. Please, you can do like 1 inch so that it will not bulge at the back, to avoid bulging at the side. I'm going to go ahead and fix the pocket back. Like I want it to have pockets. So place your pockets where we notched. So the next thing now is just to close the side. Just close the side with the same seam allowance added. Next, you go ahead, you fix the band. The right side of the band will be facing the right side of the pant. So it's right side to right side. Then you just make your stitch all around the band. So the next thing is to fix the zipper. So the zipper is going to start at the middle of the band. See the crease line. So that's where the zipper is going to start. For the zip allowance, I'm using 1/2 inch. All right, so take a look at how you're going to finish the band. Open up the zipper, bend down the zipper like so, then you bend the band over, and then you go ahead and make your stitch. This will help you to finish the edge of the zipper nicely. You also go ahead and do the second side like that. Then after that, you turn the band to the good side and then you top stitch. So the next thing is just to top stitch the band right on top. So I'll go ahead and just do stitch in the dish for the band. So the last thing now is just to hem the down part of the pants. A very big shout out to all my channel members. Thank you so much everyone for being part of this channel supporter. Thank you so much for loving Yinka so much. I love you. Stay sweet. And you too, you can become part of this channel supporter by just clicking that join button that is next to the subscriber button. And you become part of the sweet family. If you would like to see the tutorial for how I made the blouse, let me know in the comment section so that I can post it.